Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak and Listen English. I am Emma.
And I am Jack. It is wonderful to see you all again.
It really is, Jack. Today, we are discussing something that can truly change your future.
Absolutely, Emma. Many people believe speaking English fluently is very hard. They think it is a huge mountain.
They think they must study for hours every day, but what if small changes in your routine could help you?
Imagine having new opportunities. Imagine understanding the world better. Imagine traveling with confidence.
You can do this by adding English to your life in simple ways. It is not just about grammar. It is about changing your life.
That is correct. Learning English should not be boring. It can be an exciting journey.
Every day, you can have a small victory. These small wins become big success. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to Speak and Listen English.
Yes, please give us a like on this episode. Share it with friends who want to learn English. Your support helps us grow.
Thank you. So, Jack, let's talk about why English is important. Why should listeners make these changes?
Great question, Emma. English is more than a language. It is a bridge between people.
A global bridge?
Exactly. English is spoken in many countries. When you learn it, you can talk to people everywhere.
You can make friends from different cultures. You can share your story. The world feels smaller.
It connects us. And what about careers?
For work, English is a key to success. Many international companies need English speakers.
If you speak English, you can get better jobs. You might get a promotion. You can talk to clients from other countries.
This means a better salary. It gives you an advantage in the job market.
That is a big benefit. What about traveling?
For travel, English is very powerful. You can visit almost any country.
You can ask for directions, you can order food, you can talk to hotel staff.
It makes trips safer and more fun. You will not feel lost. You will feel independent.
You can explore deeply. No more pointing at menus, no more confusing translation apps.
What about information and fun?
That is huge. Most information on the internet is in English.
Think about books, articles, and videos, even podcasts like ours. If you know English, you know more.
You can see different points of view. For fun, imagine watching movies without subtitles.
Or understanding song lyrics. It makes everything richer. You appreciate the original art.
So much content is in English. These small changes unlock a better life. Now, let's talk about how to do it.
Let's start with something easy, music.
Everyone loves music. Instead of only listening to songs in your language, try English songs.
It is very simple. You can listen while walking, you can listen while cleaning or cooking.
Just play English music. Do not worry if you don't understand every word.
The goal is to hear the sound, listen to the rhythm and pronunciation. Your ears will learn.
You might catch words you know. Here's a trick. Find songs you really love.
If you like the song, you will listen more. After a few times, find the lyrics online.
Read them while you listen. You'll recognize many words. It's like a game.
Singing along helps too. Even if you mumble, it helps your pronunciation. It's a secret lesson.
Next, let's talk about TV shows and movies.
I love this one. What is the best way for beginners?
Start with English subtitles. Do not use subtitles in your native language.
I know it's hard, but challenge yourself.
It is brave, but it works. Your eyes will see the English words. You read and listen together.
This connects writing and speaking. If it's too fast, watch shows you already know.
If you know the story, you can focus on the language. You don't need to guess the plot.
Your brain can concentrate on the language. What about absolute beginners?
Cartoons or children's shows are great. They use simple language.
They repeat words. The characters speak slowly. Think of animated movies or simple series.
The stories are easy, the vocabulary is basic. It's a gentle start.
It feels like play. When you watch again, you notice new things. Let's talk about something immersive, changing the language on your phone and computer.
This is bold, but powerful. How many times do you check your phone?
Many times. If your phone is in English, you see English words every time.
You learn words like settings, messages, and camera.
These are words you use daily. You learn by using them, not by studying lists.
It's natural learning. You understand because of the icons.
If you get stuck, look up the word. Soon, these words will feel normal.
It builds confidence. You use English in the real world. It feels like a tool.
What about things in your house? Ah, the labeling tip. This is effective for vocabulary.
Get sticky notes. Write the English word for objects. Stick them on the items.
Put door on the door. Put chair on the chair. Put fridge on the refrigerator.
Every time you see the door, you see the word. Say the word aloud when you see it.
Say, there's my bed. This connects the word to the object and the sound.
It helps your memory. It turns your home into an English environment.
It's like flashcards everywhere. Now, this next one might make you laugh. Talk to yourself.
It feels strange, but it works. Practice when you're alone.
Describe what you are doing. Say, I am making coffee, or I am brushing my teeth.
Even simple sentences help. You practice forming sentences without pressure.
There is no judgment. It builds confidence for real conversations.
It's like a rehearsal. It helps you find missing words.
If you don't know a word, look it up. Also, try to think in English.
This is advanced self-talk. Think about your day in English.
Think, I am hungry. What should I eat? Or, the weather is cloudy.
Or, I need to buy milk. This pushes your brain to process in English.
You do not translate from your native language. This is where fluency starts. It's brain training.
Let's discuss reading for pleasure. Many people are scared to read in English.
They think they need complex novels. That is not true. Start simply.
I recommend children's books. They're designed for young native speakers.
They have simple words and clear plots. The pictures help you understand.
Classic storybooks are fantastic starting points. They're fun and easy to find.
Another option is easy news websites. Some sites rewrite news for learners.
You stay updated on events and practice English. You learn about the world and the language.
What if you find a difficult word?
Don't stop for every word. That makes reading boring.
Try to understand the general meaning. Use the context to guess the word.
If the word appears many times, then look it up. Enjoy the reading.
Build the habit. Make it fun so you continue. Consistency is key.
Emma, another powerful change is finding a learning partner.
It sounds big, but start small. Maybe a friend from school or work.
Make a pact. Speak 5 minutes in English every day.
Or send 3 messages in English on a messaging app.
Short interactions build confidence. Ask, how are you? Or what did you eat?
The best part is you are both learning. You both make mistakes.
That's okay. You support each other. It takes the pressure off.
Speaking becomes less scary. You can practice your self-talk sentences together.
This is where you see real benefits. You're communicating. You're building relationships.
It's very motivating. We have talked about many small changes today.
From music to TV, labeling, and partners, the list is long, but the steps are small.
They really are. The most important message is consistency.
Consistency is your superpower. You don't need to study for hours.
Even 10 minutes every day leads to progress. Imagine listening to one song and watching one show.
Change your phone language for a week. You get so much exposure.
It's like planting a seed every day. It grows into a strong tree.
Remember why you were doing this. It's for your future.
It's for better jobs and travel. It's for connecting with people.
It's for accessing knowledge. Learning English is an investment in yourself.
It's an investment in a fulfilling life. It opens a new world.
These changes make that world achievable. Every effort brings you closer to your goals.
Be patient. Celebrate small victories. Never give up.
We hope you feel motivated after this episode. Tell us which change you will try first.
Please subscribe to Speak and Listen English. Like this episode and share it with friends.
Let's build a community of learners. Leave a comment below.
Tell us what you will implement this week. Will you try music or changing your phone language?
We can't wait to read your comments. We'll cheer for you.
Thank you for being with us. Keep practicing and keep dreaming big.
We'll see you in the next episode for more adventures. Bye for now.
See ya.